Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the dashboard of a Harrier 2007 model. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and remove the side cover, as you can see. So you have to remove it gently to come out. So our side panel has been removed and we did not open with any screw, so it has exposed some screws that we have on our Harrier. So we're going to remove this one.
We're going to remove
this screw. Then after shall continue with our video. So when you reach here, you remove the side mirror controller. What?
Side mirror controller.
Side mirror controller.
This is the side mirror.
Then you keep it in a safe place, the way I can remember. Then this will expose some bit of inside, but we are still in the process. So after opening the screw down here, you're going to
pluck out gently.
You're going to pull behind gently on the sides, plus this side. Then you have to spot inside if there is no
the screw.
There's no screw, so that you don't break anything. So here we have another screw. Hope you see it with the camera. So this lower cover has been removed on our dashboard from the steering side, driver's side, and this is a Harrier model 2007.
Let's remove this.
So we're going to we're going to unscrew this. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to do the same as we are doing it here. So you just have to either pause the video and do what we have done, then we continue. So this is how far we have reached, and the steps will go on. We shall have very many parts of the process. So please share this video and also subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this video like this. So I'm talking like this because I'm wearing the mask. So next step is to remove the hood.
Bonnet.
Ebikula gundi akawaya kajja so remove the wire as you have seen. So we have this part here, so I'm going to put it behind. You keep it in a safe place. So we're going to work on the dashboard, the interior of this car, and we shall show you the before and after. So thanks for watching. I'm going to stop from here and continue in the next part. So I'm going to create a playlist for this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.